loves, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing bobfauxlocs. You might call it fauxlocs, however there's no school pronunciation. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair and braided it so that I am ready to do the things. And wow, that was so fast. So I decided to do part of my hair, well, most of my hair off camera, because I don't have a mirror. And of course, I am not using any crochet needle. I'll just be wrapping around instead of crocheting or fitting in the braid. So I'm just going to go ahead, grab the 3-strand that I braided. And then what you do basically, you just wrap. That's all you do. So as you wrap, you need to make sure that you wrap tightly so that you do not have a loose or weak braid, because should you have a weak one, it's not going to last. It is going to untangle eventually. I don't know why I keep calling this a braid. It's a lock. It's a lock. So what you do basically, or what you want to avoid, is to have a weak lock, and you do not want to have a lock that is not consistent. So you want it to be plain. You want to have a clean pattern. So what you do as you wrap, you just make sure that your hair piece is a bit spread out like you see in the picture, so that you are able to wrap around properly. You don't have any bumps, and this also helps with making sure that the lock is tight and neat, and also covers your natural hair. I hope I'm making sense, but I don't want to blab a lot. You will be able to see what I am talking about. So you braid, you wrap, you wrap your lock, and then at the end, I am going to tie mine because the hair piece I'm using is a bit silky. Therefore, should I just wrap and leave it as it is going to untangle. So I do tie a knot at the end because I am going to be burning the tips. So hope you guys do enjoy the video, and if you do, please do give it a thumbs up. Do comment down below what you think of my hairstyle. Actually, please do rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the most. 10 is totally the best. So please do give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and stay tuned. I mean, we'll be dropping a lot of hair content each week, like I promised, because your girl definitely is the girl she thinks she is. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get into wrapping and locking. Hope you find this very useful, hey? Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
She just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home, but it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about the girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight, but no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your holding me in the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. It's too sweet, now that's gangsta. And I got special ways to thank you. But don't you? You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is one in a million. You go on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, carry on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
She just moved right up the block from me. She got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen. Play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting and in no time. I bet I make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls, no way. Hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see,